Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will explain about describe the difference between relative and family. Family typically refers to the basic of parent and their children, often referred to as a nuclear family. Relative, on the other hand, encompass a broader range of the family members, including grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins, and other more distant blood or marital connection. Nuclear family and extended family also have difference. Nuclear family consists of parents and children, while extended family includes nuclear family, as well as other family members who are still blood relative, such as grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins. Immediate family. My husband's name is Heru. I have a son. Her name is Devandra Bara Elfariski. Bara is 2 years old. Example extended family. I have a father named Suyanto, and my mother named Kosirul, and I have a younger brother named Bima Zalifunas Firdaus. The family of mother, grandmother named Sutini, and grandfather named Sivo, and had 3 children. The first was a mother who had 2 children. The second is Kosia and her husband named Suyanto, and they have 2 children. The third, Wahyudi, is not married